Sat Sri Akal, Namaste, Assalamu Alaikum, and good morning. I hope you are safe, COVID-free, and happy. Today we'll cook chicken biryani. So the ingredients. So I have rice over here. I have soaked it and then cleaned it. So ground rolls, the nails are clipped and clean, and hands have been washed properly. Then I have drained out the water from here. Now these are 1.5 of this size bowl or katori, good enough for 3 of us. Now for 1.5 katori of rice, I need double the water plus some more. Okay, actually you can say 2.5 times. So it comes to 3 3/4 of this katori. So that much water I have put in this bowl. So that I will be using when I come to that stage. And in the meantime, what I will do, I will keep this water in the micro so that when I need it, I will preheat it and bring it here. Next, of course, is the chicken. So you can marinate the chicken if you want, but if you just give the cuts, that should be good. I'm happy with the cuts only. So that is the chicken. Then I have onion, ginger garlic paste, some green chilies whole, and then I have the usual thing: salt, pepper, and red chili, and there is this jeera, cumin seed. All right. Apart from that, I have some curds, some almonds. So these have been soaked and peeled, and surprise item, kishmish. Can you imagine? Okay. Then what do I have in this bowl? Some saffron or kesar. Put it in, add it into milk. Okay. Then of course coriander, dhania. Cooking medium, I am going to use some desi ghee. You can use differently, whatever you want. Then about khada masala. So regarding khada masala, I have this tej patra, English fast leaf, bay leaf. So this bay leaf I am going to keep it separately, and rest of the khada masala I have some cinnamon, dalchini, cloves, long, and star anise. And choti elaichi, small green cardamom, and the whole pepper, black pepper. So all this I am going to pound it. So in here I am pounding it. So for better results, you can imagine that someone whom you don't like is being pounded. Huh? देखो मोया मर जाना don't make a powder, just pound it. Okay. So now what I am going to do, this is a piece of cloth, clean white cloth, muslin cloth, or malmal you can say. So I am going to put these khada masala in this. And tie the knots. So this has become a potli. In English it is called potali. Okay. Right. So now we shall begin the cooking. I switched off the fan, it was making noise also. Main switch is on. I'm using a smaller kadai, but I may change over to a bigger one little later. Wait for this to be heated. I'll add desi ghee over here. I'll save a bit of desi ghee for later use. Okay, so first it is jeera. So I'll just take couple of grains of jeera and see whether that tirtir is coming or not. So once the tirtir is coming, then I will use the jeera liberally. Okay. So make sure it is jeera, cumin seed, not ajwain or saunf. What is saunf in English? Sainf. We eat sainf after meals. Fennel seed. Okay, that's done. I'll turn down the gas a bit and put the onions. Save your face. There goes the onions. Couple of minutes only. I don't have to wait for the onions to become brown because there are other things also. So I'll put the garlic and ginger paste at this stage itself. The potli can go inside now. Some more ghee. A bit of water. Talle na lage, it should not get, it should not stick to the pan. And now I am going to add the chicken. Okay, so these sage patta can also go in, and the green chilies can also go. And now you keep on roasting. It will take a long time for this roasting. Okay, so ladies, use your unemployed, deploy your bekar husbands for this roasting, Bunoing. So, buno buno re sajna. So when you feel that it is getting dry, add some water. But keep on bunoing, roasting. Okay, so like that, once you have added water 2 or 3 times, then next will be the turn of the curd, dahi. So then add dahi and keep on bunoing. It will take quite some time. So what I will do to save some time, I will just transfer this preparation. And bring another one. So you saw that this is a bigger size kadai, and I have so I'll use this some other time. So let it get heated up. Now this preparation is already ready. We have gone through all these stages. That is after adding chicken, we are bunoing it, and at some stage we have to add water once, twice, thrice, and then curd, and then again kept on bunoing it, and finally we added salt, pepper, and red chili. So that has already been done. So this I had done previously so that we can save some video time. Now I need this pakat. Okay, so this is ready to receive the rice. I will turn it down and I will preheat the water. 2 minutes. Hmm. Mango season is coming to an end. I hope you have enjoyed the mangoes. Uh, there are approximately, close to 300 varieties of mangoes, and best of course are Desi, Chupa, or Chusa mango. So the whole family will sit around a bucket full of mangoes, and you will eat in competition, and you can even chuck the gitex on each other. Now, as far as the Indian varieties of mangoes are concerned, let me count how many can I count. So you have Alfonso, which is also called Hapus. You have the Shahri, uh, Chonsa, Langda, Safeda, uh, Vanganpali, Himaiti, Kesar, Neelam. You have Sindhuri, you have Malda, Badami, Malgoba, Totapuri, Raspuri, Rajapuri, Neelapuri, Lalpuri, Amrapali, Fazli. Oh, so many varieties. Okay, so water is preheated. So I'm going to add this water first here. And then the rice. Now, in Hyderabadi biryani, the chicken is kept at the bottom itself, it's not disturbed, and you put rice and water on top. Okay, but I'm making it slightly northern one, Awadhi or Lucknowi. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook the rice in the chicken for a few minutes. Okay, so that the fragrance, the flavor of the chicken goes into the rice. So I have given it a northern tint. Uh, then plus I have given another twist by adding these almonds, badams, and kishmish, kish and mish. They were two friends, no, Kish and Mish, Sahelis. So Mish complained. She said, "Everyone knows you, Kish. Nobody takes my name." So Kish said, "Okay, from henceforth, whenever my name is taken, your name will also be taken." So they had a joint name, Kish Mish. Uh, this is a good thing to tell the children. Shankar Jayakishan, Lakshmikant Pyarelal took the cue from this joint name. Okay, so uh, I've increased the gas to cook for a couple of minutes, and then what do we have? We have this kesar. So kesar goes in now, and finally dhania, coriander, dhania, chalri dhanno, and now I am going to shut it and even put some weight on top of it. Langri soda. So if you don't have Langri soda in your place, go to your Gwandan मासी जी जरा अपना लंगड़ी सोटा दो ना लै पुत्तर की पी बनानी है जी मैं चिकन बिरयानी चंगा हैं चिकन biryani लंगड़ी सोटा now मासी जी is thoroughly हैरान and परेशान anyway so I'm going to now put the gas to minimum near minimum and I'm going to go and watch television. When I get that basmati smell, the cooking of basmati, that beautiful smell, then I will return and then I'm going to shut the gas completely and then let it stand for just like this for whatever time, you know, it may be 15 minutes, maybe half an hour, whenever you want to eat, then you open it. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give a pause to the recording. Okay, I'm returning after half an hour or 35 minutes. First about 15 minutes for the rice to cook and very sweet basmati smell was coming and then I shut the gas completely. Okay, so now we should be ready to open it and serve it. Do you know sometimes you want to convey something to somebody but that somebody understands it quite differently and it can be vice versa. So it's a matter of perception. There was one Sardaji farmer from Punjab. He met one American in Europe somewhere. That guy was also a farmer, so they became friends. And Sardaji invited him to India, and he actually came. And the next morning, Sardaji took him to his field and showed him the field. And American asked, how big is your field? So Sardaji said, it's very big. From here, if you see those row of trees, those are my mango trees. And from there, if you go like this, there is a yellow building, that is my pump house. And from that yellow building, you come here, and some more trees, and under them, my vegetable garden. And from there to this place. So big. There was no reaction from the American. So then Sardaji said, how big is yours? So American said, we can't do like this. We go in a jeep around the field and it takes about 2 hours to return. Sardaji said, oh, I understand your problem. Even my father had an old jeep like that. Why don't you buy a new jeep? So that's a matter of perception. Okay, so we will open it now. Keep your fingers crossed. Seems to be okay. So I'm going to serve it in this plate. And my assistant chef has already also prepared some pyaj tomato ka raita. So here we go. Done. So that's it for today. And next time we'll come up with something else. Till then, Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep smiling. Sat Sri Akal, Namaste, Assalamu Alaikum, and good day.